Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing some nails courtesy of Maniology. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a little collab video with them, so they sent me some goodies. These are gifted from Maniology, and we're going to dig in and kind of do a first impressions / try out of some of their products. I was able to pick a couple of the products that they sent me, but then they also sent me some other goodies. So this is the box that it came in. This is some of the stuff that they sent me: a nail stamper starter kit, an extra plate, some nail lacquer, some sticky top coat, and then this like cotton ball grabber thing. So let's go through some of the things that they gave me. First is this stamping art polish. This is actually a sticky base coat. You use this for when you're, I think, painting on the actual stamper, and then you do a quick base coat to make your nail sticky so that you can apply the actual design to it. I'm unsure if we're actually going to use this in this video, but it is something that I'm going to be interested to try to use because I've never actually painted on a stamper and then done an actual stamp. I've always just scraped, picked it up, picked up the design, and then went on my merry way. And then also, another thing that I'm kind of excited about is this Maniology like cotton ball grabber. Let's see if I actually have a cotton ball. This is really good for when you're actually going to clean off your plate with the acetone. If you're doing your actual nails, you can just grab this cotton ball, use the cotton ball grabber, pick up your acetone, and then clean your plate off without actually getting your nails messed up or dirty. If you're not using fake nails and you're doing your actual real nails, this is something that's really, really beneficial to just grab your cotton and then you can clean up your messes with this. Very excited about that, actually. A plate that we're not going to be using today in this video because we're going to be doing the nail stamping starter kit is this fruit plate, which I got to pick out, which I thought was so cute. I can't remember. I think it's like fruit salad or something like that, but it has strawberries and peaches, watermelon, orange or lemon slices, citrus slices, if you will. So very excited to use this. I think I'm going to be using this over on my Instagram. So very excited about that. And then also some stamping polish, which I got the Autumn Bounty colors, which are these really nice, rich colors, this like orangey yellow, purple, and red, like a deep red. And they're shiny, but they are stamping polishes. So excited to use these somewhere down the line, maybe with that fruit plate. But the real star of the show today is the nail stamping starter kit. And in this, you get a full-sized nail plate. I got one that was bees. So it has a whole bunch of bee designs on them, honey pots, honeycombs, flowers, and all that. So very, very nice. It gives you a starter kit stamping guide. Tells you how to use scrape, stamp, and swoon, a little QR code, some troubleshooting tips, some more things that can help you in your stamping journey, which I am a novice stamper, so we will have to see how this goes. Very, very novice in my stamping abilities. A little scraping plate that has the Maniology logo. Some nail stamping lacquer. This one comes with black and then clear top coat. And then an actual stamper itself, which this one is a rectangle jelly one, which is super nice because you can see through when you're actually stamping, so you know what you're stamping and where you're stamping it on. If you lose the little starter kit stamping guide on the back of the box, it does have all of the steps on how to actually stamp your designs onto your nails. So there are tons of instructions everywhere on the site. There is like a free little guide too that you can print out, as well as a lookbook. I do have my nails pre-painted in yellow and black. I just used some NYC, which I don't even think they make this anymore, for my yellow, and then some Dollar Tree Color Vibe with hardeners. And these are also just Dollar Tree nails. I did purchase this holder from Maniology with my own money, but everything else was gifted. So we are going to see what we can do with this design. And first, we're going to peel off. Ooh. Oh, how satisfying is that? We're going to peel off the wrapper so that we can actually get to the designs. And we're going to use the black stamping polish on the yellow nails. And then I think we're actually going to use some of this Autumn's Bounty, this like orangey color, on the black nails. So I think we're going to use our small nail first, and we're going to maybe do this little bee right here, or maybe we'll do this little bee. I'm unsure. No, we're going to do this bee, and we're going to try to stamp it onto our actual nail that we've prepped. Ooh. You guys, look at that! Ah! All right, I got a little excited, so I did get a little line up there, but look at how good that bee looks! Ah! All right, I'm too excited. I'm too excited. Okay, it also says that to clean off your stamper, like all the polish off your stamper, you can use a lint roller or tape. So I'm just going to use this lint roller because that's what I have right here. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, wait, I need acetone nail polish. Where's my nail polish remover? Okay, I put nail polish remover on the cotton swab that my little like cotton picker upper has, and I'm just gonna clean off the design because that's what it says to do. Oh my gosh, look at that bee! That looks amazing! Okay, I'm so excited now. All right, we're gonna do all the yellow nails. Okay. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm too excited. Calm down, Kirby. Okay. Let's see. What one do I want to do next on this like middle nail? Just Because looks kind of cute. Maybe we can do that one. Yeah, we'll do Just Because. That one looks so cute. Okay. I'm excited. I'm too excited now. All right, swipe, roll. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait. Oh, I shouldn't have done that with cotton. Ooh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Look how cute that looks. Oh my gosh. Just Because. Oh, okay. I need to figure out a way to like get the excess things off. I have a silicone makeup brush that I need to find. Okay, here. Yeah. Ah, oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Do you see that? how good that is? Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so excited now. I'm so excited. Too excited, maybe. Clean, 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 clean. All right. I don't know if that's clean enough. I'm going to get some Q-tip. I think the cotton balls are a little too big. Ugh, okay, you guys, I am over the moon excited. Okay, too excited maybe. All right, what should we do on this last big one? Should we do like what? Yeah, let's do one of these. Maybe we'll do this. We'll do this. Clean off this stamper. Ah, you guys, I'm so excited. This is working out so well. Okay. Can you see? Yeah. Ugh, look at how cute those are. Okay. Too excited. That's okay. That's okay. So, polish. Whoops. Scrape. And see, I don't want all of this. Oh yeah, haha. Here we go. Oh, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Okay, whoops. And then... Oh my gosh. I'm addicted. Okay, this is insane. I've never had my nail stamping turn out this well. Okay, look at this. Look at this bee. Look, you can read that so clearly just because. And look at how cute that looks. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. All right. Cleaning this off. See, a lint roller is so easy to use too to clean this off. Okay. Cleaning off the plate. I don't know how strenuous you need to like be to clean off the plates, but if you want like the designs to be really clean, I suggest using a Q-tip. I think my cotton balls are just like a little too big. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I'm excited to try out this persimmon. I know this is more orange, but I'm kind of hoping that it will look kind of like honey-like with the yellow and the bees. Does that make sense? All right, we're going to try this Oh Honey on this one. I'm sorry, you guys. This is like, I feel like manic, but I'm so excited. It's working out so well. Put the Oh Honey. Whoops. Down. Ooh. Scraper. Scrape. Pick it up. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at that. Look at how cute that looks. You can clearly see that so well. Oh my gosh. I'm stunned. I'm stunning myself. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at how cute that is. All right, maybe it is true what they say, stamping polish makes all the difference, you guys, because I've never had this much success with nail stamping before. Clearly, I'm so excited. All right, it does also say to only use 100% acetone because other nail polish removers will leave behind residue and oil. So I do have 100% acetone. That's what I'm cleaning the stamping plate with. And also, never use acetone on the actual stamper itself. Only clean it off on like a sticky surface. It also says if you're using the Maniology, if you're having trouble at first, you might need to wash this with a very mild soap, like dish soap and water, to prep it. I didn't necessarily have that issue, but if you are having an issue with it picking up anything, it said to use some dish soap and water. So, oh my gosh. Okay, I am so excited. Now what? We're going to still use this one on here. I think I want to use this. It has like this one right here is like a honeycomb with a bee on it. All right. And then we take our scraper and we scrape and we pick up the design and we clean off all this excess because we don't want that on there. And oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. Okay. The woman was too stunned to speak. This is amazing. So here's our little manicure that we did of the bees. I'm stunned by the delicacy and the detail of this bee right here. Same with the lettering of the Oh Honey. That's amazing. Like, just because these are amazing. I was so skeptical about using the shimmer on like a black nail, which is why I specifically did 2 black nails to like see if it would actually show up. Wow. And it doesn't even look too orange. I was also a little nervous it was going to look orange. On the website, it looked a lot more like yellow, but on here, it looks like a gold. So it matches the whole vibe perfectly. Ah! Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so unbelievably excited. Okay, I am so excited about this. I think that these nail stamping starter kits give you everything that you need to start nail stamping. It gives you a full-size plate, a stamping polish, and a top coat. It gives you the actual stamper and a scraper as well. You can use the stamping polish as a base coat as well, or you can just stamp on like plain old natural nails. You guys, I am so unbelievably excited about this. I will link this specific kit down in the description box below. They also did give me a code Kirby, that will save you like a little bit of money at checkout if you are interested in getting into stamping. But look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. My stamping has never turned out that well, and it's probably because I'm just trying to use like regular polishes and other things, but like, look at how crisp the detail is on that. So unbelievably happy with how these turned out. So again, if you want to check all this out on your own time, I will link this stuff down in the description box below. Thank you so much, Maniology, for sending me your stamping kit, starter kit, and a couple of other goodies. I am so excited to like actually start doing some other things. If you're interested in seeing this citrus plate, I'm going to be doing more like shorts and reels over on Instagram and on YouTube. But yeah, I'm so excited for the possibilities for customizing my nails. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.